Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, throw on your running shoes, grab your phone and your car keys, and get ready to run because we have a run glitch deal to talk about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. While you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other DG videos for you all this week. We have some crazy news. Dollar General has lost their minds. They have all kinds of sales and a clearance event coming up. Plus, I uploaded the new clearance markdowns and penny list video for this week at Dollar General. I also uploaded the purple dot home decor visual video, as well as 3 amazing other run deals that you might want to go and take a look at. And also this morning I uploaded a giant glitch list with over 50 glitches. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now I don't want to keep you all too long, so let's go ahead and talk about this new run glitch deal. Now, this is definitely a glitch deal. However, I do feel like this is still going to be going on tomorrow and probably for the rest of the week, alright? Now, with that being said, the shelves may be cleared, but the good news is that most stores have a ton of these things in stock. So, if you want to wait until tomorrow to go out and do this deal, I think you're pretty safe. Now, normally I would advise you all to not trust what the DG app says as far as inventory goes, but I think for this specific item, which we're about to talk about, you can kind of look it up. Check the stores in your area. I know that I checked all of mine, and all of mine were well over 130 in stock. So again, let's just go ahead and talk about the deal, and you guys can decide for yourself whether you need to run out tonight before the stores close, or if you want to go first thing in the morning. So for this glitch, what you want to be on the lookout for are the Office Hub One Subject College Ruled or the Wide Ruled notebooks. These are normally priced at $1 each. However, they are on sale right now, 2 for $1. So that automatically cuts our price in half. And like I said, you can choose from the College Ruled notebooks or the Wide Ruled notebooks. Both of those are included in this sale. And keep in mind that there are different colors that you all can choose from. Now, if you get into the store and you are not sure, just scan the notebook and the sale should show up underneath, and it will look just like this right here. 2 for $1 on select Crayola crayons, 24 count, or the One Subject notebook, College or Wide Ruled. And then you should also have this DG store coupon. It is $2 off when you spend $10 or more on stationery products at Dollar General. And this coupon does expire this Saturday on the 19th. So if you scan the notebooks in the store, this is what it should look like. Your coupon should be up there. Make sure that you have that clipped to your account, and then the sale will be right underneath it. Now, you are going to pick up a total of 10 notebooks, all right? And like I said, they are normally priced at $1 each. This is a glitch because the system is recognizing the full $1 price. Then it is applying the sale plus that 2 off 10 DG store coupon. Normally, we would have to still reach that $10 threshold after the sale is applied. However, it is picking up the coupon and applying the sale, and both are working together and coming off. So let's take a quick look at the list feature on my Dollar General app. I added 10 of the notebooks to my list. It took off the 2 off 10 DG store coupon, plus it applied the sale. So that is going to leave you paying $3 at the register. So $3 for 10 items, making each notebook just 30 cents each. I think this is a fantastic deal, especially since we all have kiddos going back to school right now. And if you don't, this would make a great donation item. Now, I'm not done with you all just yet, because your girl has been running all over town all evening long trying to get in on all of these deals. That way I can report back to you all. So I ran to Walmart. We had the Walgreens glitch come back, so you know I had to run in there and grab me some more dishwasher tablets. That glitch ended up ending again. So then we ran over to the Dollar General. So here's the deal on this glitch. It is working at all registers. The old register stores, the new register stores, and self-checkout. Now, I know that I'm going to get this question down in the comments section. So, can we do this as a pickup order? And the answer is yes, you can do this as a pickup order. However, be aware that a lot of cashiers, employees, and managers, if they recognize that it is a glitch coming through the system, they will cancel your order. If they don't feel like fooling with the pickup order, they can cancel your order. There is nothing on their end that says, hey, you have to do this pickup order. So they can cancel it for whatever reason that they want to, really. So your best bet to get in on this deal is just to go into the store. And like I said, I think that most of y'all are pretty safe if you want to wait and do this deal tomorrow. I think it's still going to be going on. And I think that most stores are pretty well stocked with notebooks right now. So you shouldn't have an issue with finding the notebooks. And keep in mind that we are using that 2 off 10 digital coupon, so people are going to be limited on how many of these deals and transactions that they can do, depending on how many Dollar General couponing accounts they have. Now, while we're on the topic of back to school supplies, I also wanted to mention that Dollar General put this in their ad this week. They are going to be offering teachers some special offers, but you do have to go on to the website and prove that you are a teacher. So I'm going to leave the link for that in the pinned comment down below. If you are a teacher or if you know any teachers, make sure that they are aware of that. In the past, I know that they have given out like an extra 30% off coupon, extra 5 off 25s, things like that. So like I said, all that information will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, so there you have it for our run glitch deal. Good luck, everybody. Please come back and let us know how it all worked out for you. How many did you end up with? What time did you do the deal? All of the things that really are helpful. And also, make sure that you stay tuned because I have 2 more really awesome videos coming up for you all tomorrow. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all. And of course, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, guys. Good luck out there. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.